Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, the current price of Tesla is approximately 216.75, and currently, according to Grandpa's candle charts, it's coming down a little bit. We just got a bounce up, and that was brought up by, well, they were shorting at 226.50 times two, and they still are, but it's sporadic. They slow it down, and as soon as they slow it down, we get some red candles. Down on the bottom side, they've been down in the 209, 208.70 range buying, 212 buying, 210 buying. It looks to Grandpa like we're going to see that 210 area sooner than not. And we still have the substance in the 229, 227 to 230 area, actually. So it's substance there would be to grab a bounce off of it when it gets there. Okay, for the real far out substance, that's probably the most important. What our future holds is $280 where they've shorted massively. It's got to be almost 2 months old now, close to it. Oh, not well, maybe a month and a half, month and 3 weeks, something like that, since they've been up there. I probably check it out for a later one, but it's been a long time since they were up there, and they've got a lot of stuff up there that need to be activated. 269 on the bottom side of the main deal. Grandpa believes that anything below 269, the market makers are building long positions. All the way down to 291, or not 291, 191, where they bottomed out in the last week there, where they went down there. So I believe they're still acquiring their long positions based on what I've seen, and they have had no reason to give them up at any point yet. But I believe the market makers are actually long. Doesn't mean that they won't take us down to 184.50, which is the lowest actual place of substance that we currently have. 190, they've got an awful lot. 200 has got substance. 210 is up. 210, 209, 208 area has got substance. So that's where we're at with this thing. And currently, Grandpa is down just a little bit for the day. But we're gaining ground. I'm short right now. I'm short, and I was up a little when it went down to 216 last time. I sold some at 215.85 and looked good for Grandpa, but I didn't sell them all because I'm very short-term bearish here, and expect things to continue to deteriorate for the short term. Long term, Grandpa is extremely bullish in Tesla, extremely. So let's look at our candle charts here. We got the 5-minute chart. By the way, we're moving straight sideways. Here's 217.5, and down here you got, well, even if you say 216, so you got $1.50 range that it's running in, and she's just since it since it got into it at 9:45, 15 minutes into it, we're still in it. She's just coming straight sideways across the screen. But like always, it will snap like a rubber band. Right now it looks like we're going to probably get a green candle here based on what I'm seeing, but who knows. They can, the blinking is instant where the candles lag, but they can pause that blinking just as fast as they start it up. So hard to say if we'll get a green candle here or not. We'll see. We'll come back to it. 15 minutes. Boy, do I got a mess. What is going on? For the life of me, my candle charts on this is in the simulated trading, and they're dysfunctional. It's like they're got a problem. Yeah, I got the same thing going. I had this earlier today. It's like it malfunctioned. Pretty hard to look. I have other candle charts on my other stuff I can look at, but this one, now the 4-hour chart is normal and the 5-minute chart is normal, but everything in between is still messed up. Maybe after I shut everything down tonight and restart it, it will come back to life. That's no fun when you can't even show a candle chart that's decent. The daily is good. So this is an indecision candle. It's not done for the day yet, so we don't know for sure here for a couple hours. But that could be a sign of a reversal downward for a bit. Let's see, the weekly. The weekly's given Grandpa his signal that we might get a bull flag up to the 280 and take it out in our near future. That's what it's saying to Grandpa. This thing is taken off up in a big way. Let's check that 5-minute. I thought I was going to get a green candle. Yeah, I did. Grandpa got his green candle. I knew it was coming. I figured it was coming. I'm going to take in... these guys might just run this thing back up in the 219.75, 220 area. It's possible. I'm going to put my sell up here at 219.50. Get some more shorts. I'm not worried about being short right now. I'll do another one later today and update you. So that's what we got going on. I'm gonna hop off here and I'll come back later today and update you on, is Grandpa gonna go to zero or is he gonna go from 100,000 to 200,000? And how long will it take him to get to 200,000? That's what I want to know. Wish somebody would tell Grandpa what's going on. Oh, don't worry, Grandpa can see the blinking. Bye-bye.